In his final statement of the impeachment trial, the ousted South Korean President Yun Suk-yeol has said that he had a right to declare martial law but never meant to impose full military rule. At the Constitutional Court, Yoon denied having committed insurrection by declaring martial law. He further argued that the country was in fact facing an existential crisis when the martial law was put into place, and he intended to warn of the opposition's Democratic Party's abuse of its own parliamentary majority. This comes as South Korea's Constitutional Court held the final hearing in the impeachment trial of Yoon. Now, Yoon made the declaration on the 3rd of December last year and termed the opposition as anti-state elements, and it triggered widespread public outrage and protests, plunging the country into its biggest political crisis in decades. The impeachment hearing today began with an examination of evidence and the presentation of final arguments from the legal teams of both Yoon and the National Assembly. The number of lawmakers from Yoon's ruling People Power Party were in attendance at the hearing. In the opening remarks, interestingly, Yoon's defense team cited a 2024 US Supreme Court ruling, Donald Trump versus the United States. The team argued that the ousted president cannot be punished for exercising his core constitutional powers. Meanwhile, as the proceedings went on, pro-Yoon protesters held up placards and chanted slogans opposing the impeachment. So a verdict is now expected in the middle of March. If Yoon is removed from office, the country will have to hold a fresh presidential election within 60 days. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.